Buenos dias mga amiga, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video is I'm in the chicken farm. So see mga amiga, my sister, what she doing, but I don't know how to do this. We try. Ay! Ay! Oh my god! You see mga amiga, I'm afraid. So, I'll show you the egg. A lot of egg. Kaya na rin. Hala, chine manok ya muri. Toyo. So, mga amiga, as you can see the egg. Hey. So, this is it mga amiga. This is my sister chicken farm. So, actually mga amiga, this is a two house na? Two house? Hi guys! Oh, a lot of egg! See, mga amiga? A lot of egg. But it's, how many? There's a two chickens, sometimes two chickens inside, three chickens, two chicken and three chicken inside. But check it out. See the egg mga amiga. So there's a 3, 1, 2, 3. It's a 3 layer. So to all Zamboanga City, Zamboanga City, who wants to order egg, just comment down below. So a lot of egg, but different sizes. So it's long. Actually there's a 2 houses here, but this is mga amiga. Oh. Before, when I'm in Jordan, I just only see through call through picture. But now, oh my God, this is it, mga amiga. Oh yeah, enjoying to picking the egg. So I show you mga amiga. So as you can notice, this is opposite. I notice opposite. 2 chicken, 3 chicken, 3 chicken, 3 chicken, 2 chicken. 2 chicken. Oh! Antin na rin siya? Tasubi ali? Oh, see how she do. Pakila ito tasubi.
Ano mo bulisok na medyo? Ayaw mo rilya.
Ande?
Ayaw mo rilya.
Antin na sa tagali ko me. So mga amiga, I teach you how to feed the chicken like this. My sister, she is expert, but I don't know how. See? Oh my God. Then next, oh, see how she feed the chicken. But in fairness, mga amiga, see, a lot of egg. Oh, don't do that, dude. Oh no, I'm scared. I'm scared. But here, just see only the chicken egg, mga amiga. But you see how those. But here, I show you. Ande? Oh, see mga amiga how she going down. So, can I have it, egg chicken? Oh, you see? What a bihaya. Alat mga amiga, you can see. See? Over here. Oh. This is the first house. Later on, we're gonna go to the second houses. So, to all Zamboanga who really want to order chicken egg, please comment down below. Available. Oh wow, yapi ka sa nanimikara. Oh wow. So, mga amiga, so please, who wants to order chicken egg, very cheap and fresh from the farm, just comment down below and I can take order. Char! But this is her farm. You see how my sister feed the chicken. My sister, she's so expert. See, sa to boss. You see how she do. Ha? Ay ho, poni galbing klaro wala gid na So, order mga kaibigan. Order na kayo dyan, char. So this is the house number 1. So let's go to house number 2. So mga amiga, agay ko Lord. So, we go to house number 2. Porque tan sino ni chura te.
Original cages. Este el original cages.
So mga amiga,
Este el original cages.
see, hi chicken.
El gallo de mío, tres
Hi chicken. Ay, wow.
Este el original
Mga
cages.
amiga.
Binkuan.
Hindi, dali kita mira el chicken, el rooster. Ano kita pasa?
Ay, mo pasar.
So mga amiga, you can see. On the leg di suyo.
Juan, muay sa sila ya separate ka ng huevos.
So mga amiga, this is no egg,
Nuevo
but we
pa
can
lang,
say.
nuevo pa lang, este nuevo pa lang, partial.
Still have egg. Ano to na yung huevos? Diyan ka na eh.
Napulit yung huevos, uno.
Oh!
Kailos din mo, soyo.
Maldita Leno.
Maldita te, oh.
Umuulam niya, maldita. So mga amiga, this is the house number 2. But not only just poultry, see. Not only poultry, this all poultry. House number 2. Have pure black chicken. See. Pure black chicken, mga amiga. So, first time I saw pure black chicken. So, they said but this is very delicious and healthy if the chicken all black, but the meat also is black. Rooster. And you see, but this is a new here. See mga amiga. And you see. And I will show you mga amiga, we have a rooster, 3 rooster only here. Yay! Hi rooster! So that's it for today video mga amiga. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and God bless. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the notifications bell so that you're updated to all my video. Don't forget to comment down below for who wants to order a chicken egg. Just comment, but only entire zamboanga. Just comment down below. So, thank you for watching. Stay safe and God bless. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.